Hi friends, in this video we will tell you something about an attractive and pretty female bodybuilder. Yuan Herong is a Chinese bodybuilder who decided to pursue a career in medicine. However, she still finds time to show off her impressive physique on Instagram time to time. Herong was dubbed the nickname Chun-Li after the Street Fighter character. This nickname is not given lightly as it is a fairly apt comparison. She has a beautiful face matched with an insane physique, making her an impressive individual. Subsequently, she was an easy sell when making her run in the bodybuilding circuit. However, what is perhaps the most impressive thing about Yuan Herong is not based on her physical appearance. While she started out as a bodybuilder, she eventually left that life behind. Instead, she decided to chase a career in medicine, becoming a doctor. Clearly, she is more than just a pretty face. However, Herong makes it clear on Instagram that she is still in good shape. While she is proclaimed to be only a doctor, she does say she enjoys to model on the side. Therefore, her social media is full of steamy shots of her looking to still be in unbelievable condition. Despite how things look so far, it is not just glamour shots for Herong. She also takes time to post plenty of stuff from the gym. From these pictures and videos, it is clear that she takes her fitness very seriously. She is seen moving around some weight but not really too much. So you can imagine that once she has completed her studies in the medicine, many people would be interested in getting her as a family doctor. She is likely to have lots of demand. If you like the video, please like the video and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.